Okay, we're at Wizard Workshops. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit of pewter melting. So this is an old pewter mug, not a bad one, and we get it for about 1/10 the price this way compared to an ingot. And it's usually got a tiny bit of shellac on it, or varnish, but that burns off. So now we've got a bit of a lump. So there's different things you can do, including casting silicone mold. But this time I'm just going to demonstrate a little trick. If you've got some heat-resistant, like Pyrex glass, and you hold it carefully, you can pour little, almost a round coin. I'll do another one just to, whoops, that one went, never mind. We'll remelt that one. Now this one here, I'm going to demonstrate, that's just straight as it comes off. I'll put it in the water, and then I can pick it up. It's thinner if you pour it from higher. You can have it thicker if you pour it from lower down. So there's a nice blank. Now with a polished ball peen hammer, with a ball all polished on a polishing wheel, you can do some magic with, I think I'll do it from this side. You can shine it up like that. You can flatten it, and as you hit it, it goes shining because it takes on the shine of the hammer. So we've got quite a thin piece. Now we're going to do a little bowl. We could do a little wee bowl, and that's just a piece of soft wood that I've put sanded a little, ground a little hollow in. So we've already followed that shape, and of course you could do it bigger. You could do quite a good size, handy little bowl, probably about that size, no problem. That's of course brass, but the ball gives it these nice sort of dents, which there is a name for.
It's like a dimple. Dimples,
yeah. And basically where you've hammered, it gets, I can do it a little bit deeper in this one. And could do jewellery, you could do all sorts. And there's no lead in this, it's almost 90-something%, 97%
so it's
tin.
Tin and bismuth and a few other things, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit of metal like bismuth, but 90-something% tin, which is an element.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you could fill that with resin, put some little jewels inside.
One could.
Drill a hole and it'd have a nice little pendant.
Yeah, yeah. I did another one back here. So,
okay.
pewter.
Well, thank you.